Hello everyone, my name is Rhythm and today we will upcycle the makeup which we don't use. I start by breaking down this color from the blush palette which I got in makeup school. Emptying this color in one of the concealer which I got from Wet n Wild, and I don't like the concealer either. I'm trying to mix the concealer and the blush together. It was making a mess, so I emptied it in the same palette. I add 2 to 3 drops of the face serum and I mix everything well. Then I clean my concealer palette first with a makeup wipe and then with antibacterial wipe. And I'm adding all the product we made in the concealer palette. I'm laying it flat with the tweezer. Make sure everything is sanitized. After laying it down, I am just adding few drops of my face oil. And then I'm pressing it down with a brush. For my next blush color, I'm scraping the concealer out and I'm putting directly into the lid of the palette. Putting it directly in the lid is way easy and way clean. Then I clean my palette out and add the remaining blush into it. Then I added few drops of my face oil and then I mixed everything together. Then I added this purplish color to the blush. These blushes actually came out so pretty and creamy. And then I potted the second color in my palette as well. And this is how it came out, super cute, super creamy. I used it for a couple of days and it has good stay. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comment section what you think about it.